Hey guys, it's Melissa with Web of Creativity, and today I'm just sharing my 2-page waterfall mini album. I already have videos for the one in the middle, and I made the two on the outside just to show you a little bit of difference. These are perfect for Christmas presents. It doesn't take that long to make, and so this one has the video of it already up on my YouTube channel, and it's again a 2-page mini album, and this is the pull tab version, and I have the original version is this Christmas one. I'll show you in just a minute. I do have kits for this one alone in the middle. This one is Graphic 45 Flutter paper collection, and construction video is already up. All those links are listed below. So this one right here is the Christmas version. This has the original waterfall page, so it uses magnets for the waterfall, so it's just a regular one. And then we have a tag on the side. So we have the vertical and the horizontal. Tag. So this one's using Graphic 45 Magical Christmas, I think is the name of that, and it's kind of subtle, but I did pop dot the front pieces, and then the holly is a die cut. And then this one is, I did the pull tab on this version, and this is Prima's lavender paper. And I also pop dotted and then cut out the butterflies. So, so this one's the pull tab. Alright, I just wanted to share a couple other albums that I made using the tutorial, which is on my blog, www.webofcreativity.net. All the links are listed below, and there is a construction video both for the pull tab pages and the original pages. So I do have both of those versions in the tutorial. Alright, thank you for watching.